Hello guys, I hope you are fine. Today I'm gonna show you how to withdraw your funds from your PayPal account after accepting payment via CODARAB Payments on your WooCommerce store. So the question is, some customer asks as a question, it's possible to withdraw my fund from my PayPal account to cryptocurrencies. To be honest, it's possible. It's 100% possible. So how? This question, the answer of this question, it's what we will see. We will show on this little tutorial video. So before we start, I ask you kindly to subscribe on our channel and to receive any update, any new videos related to payment online, WooCommerce payment management, or highest payment seekings. So let's start the tutorial. The first thing is you need to have CODARAB payment. CODARAB payment is a highest payment gateway plugin for WooCommerce store. So after installing and activating the plugin, the solution, you will be able to activate the credit and debit card option. So your customer will be able to pay using credit card or debit card like Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and or many other card, whatever, if it's virtual classical card. So after receiving the payment from your customer, the payment or instant payment goes directly and immediately to your PayPal account. So here you will ask a question: how can I withdraw my fund from PayPal account? So there is many way to do that. The first way is withdrawing fund to your bank account directly or via Visa or via your bank account Visa card that you will link to your PayPal account. The other things is, and this is the upper count, is withdrawing fund from PayPal account as cryptocurrencies to your wallet or to another exchange platform like Binance, QuickOne, XT, or other. So to do that, you need an intermediate application, like for example, RedotPay. There is other application that the best one, I think, is RedotPay. This application allows you to have to generate your trade with account and link it to your PayPal account. So once you have found available on your PayPal account that you received from CODARAB Payments, you can withdraw this fund to Visa account and you will receive it as cryptocurrencies or stablecoin like USDT or USDC on your RedotPay. So then once you receive the payment on RedotPay, you can withdraw with zero fees or $1, I think, fees to your wallet or any other Bit2 platform. So I hope you understand this point. If you have any question, you can ask it on the comment section. I wish you a good day and have a nice day. See you in the next tutorial, next video, next solution.